In 2021, the total quantity of solid waste disposed at the strategic landfills was 5.67 million tons, which has increased by 5.4% compared to 2020. There were 19.35 million tons of generation of construction waste and 0.19 million tons of special waste disposed at landfills. Of 4.15 million tons municipal solid waste, 1.59 million tons were commercial and industrial waste, and 2.55 million tons were domestic waste, with a per capita of 0.94 kg, which is the largest component. Of the municipal solid waste, 30% was food waste, with 0.32 kg of household food waste per person per day. The second largest component of municipal solid waste was waste plastic, which was 21%. The third largest part was waste paper, which was 20%. The waste are mainly disposed of by recycling or sent to landfills. Recently, there are 3 landfills that are operating at Tuen Mun, Taco Link, and Tseung Kwan O. As there are more and more waste, the landfills are nearly full. The government has to find new landfill sites, and we have to try to reduce the waste we produced. Do you know how much rubbish you produce a day?
I have no idea. Maybe 1 kg.
I don't know, maybe 5 kilograms?
What method have you tried to reduce the waste?
At home, my mom's handled them. Maybe forced me to eat all the rice. Does it count?
Yes. Put the plastic bottle into the brown rubbish bin. We hypothesized the average amount of household waste generated over the 2 weeks period will be near the amount that government announced, and the amount of waste produced in food waste will be the largest. Today, we are looking at the birth of rubbish. Charles and John, a family of 3 and 4 respectively. So basically, their kitchen waste from 3 meals a day is the largest source of waste. During the New Year festival, the camera captured their household waste for 2 weeks. Let's walk into 2 different houses and see how much waste is bought by a normal Hong Kong family. Experiment will use kitchen scales to measure the weight of the waste produced each day. The results will be recorded and analyzed to determine the average amount of waste generated per day.
After 2 weeks, we have collected our result. We have measured 2 families of household waste, but each family began at different times. For family 1, a family of 4 produce about 1.1 kilogram of waste every day. This is about 0.25 kilogram of waste per person per day. We collected this data set during the Chinese New Year. For family 2, a family of 3 produce about 0.7 kilogram of waste every day, about 0.23 kilogram of waste per person per day. Somehow the methodology is the same, but the results are slightly different. Oh, it's because people tend to produce more waste during holiday. People eat more food, like rice cake, and they follow tradition like spring cleaning to sweep away backlog of last year. Upon closer inspection, waste mainly consists of plastic, food waste, and paper, like food packaging, cut away part of the vegetables, and even masks.
Compared to the report of the Hong Kong Environmental Protection Department, the results show a huge difference. The possible reason is environmental awareness of our experiment group is higher than other families. For example, we will bring our own water bottles to refill water. Furthermore, compare the results between two families. The average waste produced in family 2 is slightly less than family 1. This may be due to differences in lifestyle and family size. In family 2, they seldom stay at home because they need to commute every day. Most rubbish and food waste were mainly produced in their workplace and canteen. To conclude, it is of paramount importance to reduce the amount of domestic waste. As a result, we make some suggestions. First, we can limit the use of disposable products. For example, we can use reusable bags instead of plastic bags. Furthermore, we can recycle plastic bottles, but bear in mind, we need to remove the plastic package and wash it before recycling. Lastly, the government should promote green economic development, such as providing financial aid to recycling industry. This is the end of our video. Thank you.